quickly cook some more egusi to eat our fufu. I have some water here. I just want to wash it with my fresh pepper. Then I'm going to put some crayfish inside. How's that day for the area? What's up, guys? Let me put half of my onions inside. Then take water. Putting our red oil. I'll start to put my onions. For this simple egusi soup. So make I put my egusi inside because I want to steam them down. Put some oil inside. Fish to get stuck inside my soup. It will soak inside my dry fish. That's how we can do them here for the area. Okay, make I put water. Make I put my bitter leaf. I tell you say now another partner of food now I want cook. This bitter leaf is frozen. Make I carry my Maggi and my salt. Make I put salt inside. Oh yeah, make we put our dry pepper. Mommies and daddies, wanna not cry for this my egusi if you not see am, make you not cry. Let me take you to the pot, to the bottom of inside. How did you feel? Are you feeling the aroma? Are you feeling how it's making koto 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 koto? This soup is giving me vibe. It is giving me joy.